More.
She wants to play.
Isabel.
She loves it.
Isabel.
Don't break it.
Okay, we're not gonna break it.
Don't break my.
Oh, she loves. I'm afraid that Isabel. Oh, she's stealing that from you. She loves to play with those balloons. Oh, she's getting them. She sounds like she hates it, but she loves it because she keeps running around. Remember, she carried it in her mouth. She loved it. Oh. Oh. Give her one and see if she's gonna do it with that. Give her one and see what she's gonna do with that. Are you okay? Oh, your friend popped.
Isabel.
What's she gonna do with that?
That's my only friend I got.
Isabel, right there.
This friend won't pop at all.
Get it, Isabel. Isabel, get it.
She's so careful. She likes it.
This is my friend.
Oh, she popped it. No, eating. No eating. No eating.
This is my friend.
Oh,
this
is
is
your friend.
my friend.
Don't break your friend. Oh, my, she got me.